air. The prairie just a cloud of smoke, horizon turning red. Oh, hard, breathless air, cradled child, dead too. An avalanche of coals and cinder hurled against my will. Hold on, breathless air, lake on fire, land too. Salvation in the pond, hold on. Father, do you think that the end is coming near? Oh, hard, breathless air. God willed the flames, we're fleeing in a panic, but we're near. Hold on, breathless child, lake on fire, land too. Hold my arms with broken limbs, the flames upon them melt my touch. Both will ground us till we're found and float beyond the sea we're in. By salvation, clear my lungs and fill the fields that's burning lush. Call the Lord to cease his judgment of our human helpless sin. How had it filled the night with broken, empty song, alone? Stepping on the neighbor that I once had seen as friend, alone. Breathless air, and robbing life of dignity to every desperate end, alone. Breathless air, lake on fire, land too.